Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everybody. This video is very important. Today we're going to learn the sound of the Arabic alphabets. Let's get started. So we're not going to focus on the names of the letter, just we're going to learn the sound of each letter. Let's start with this one. This one has the sound of b, 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 like English, okay? B, 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 b. Okay, if I add this mark on the top, so now I have b, b, b. So the sound of this letter now with this mark is b, 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 b. Okay, let's see the shapes of b. B in the beginning of the word is like this. So this is B in the beginning of the word. Let's see B in the middle of the word. It is like this. It's here. So now we have B, B. Let's see the shape of B in the end of the word. B. So now we have B, B, B. Oh, you can read in Arabic now. B, 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 B. Okay. B, it can be in the end of the word like this as well. So this is another shape of B in the end of the word, which is the original one when it is separated. Okay, super easy. So now we have four shapes of B. B in the beginning of the word, B in the middle of the word, B in the end of the word. Read with me. B, 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 B. Okay, we write Arabic from the right to the left. Okay, so let's write ba 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 in English from the right to the left. How it will be? It will be very crazy. Let's write it like this. So I'm gonna start it like this with B and A, ba, ba. Imagine with me just this crazy thing. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, let's see another letter. The second letter is super easy. Look, it has the same shape of the previous one, but we are not gonna add dots under. We are gonna add two dots here on the top. The sound of this letter is t, 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 like T in English. T, 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 t. Let's add this mark. T, t, t. Don't forget, this mark has the sound of A. T, t. It adds the sound of A to the letter. T, 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 t. Let's check the shapes of the letter. T in the beginning of the word. Let's see. Look, how's it? T, T, T. Can you write T from the right to the left in English? Yes. I'm gonna start with the T and then I will add the A. T, T. Let's see T in the middle of the word. T, 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 T. Another T here. T, 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 T. Read with me. T, 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 T. T in the end of the word. T, 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 T. At the normal speed, it is ta ta ta, ta ta ta, ta ta ta. Okay, okay, okay. And we have another ta in the end of the word. Sometimes we write it like this. We're going to learn in other videos, okay? So we have four shapes of ta. Ta in the beginning of the word, ta in the middle of the word, ta in the end of the word. It can be like this or like this. Ta ta ta, ta ta ta, ta ta ta. Okay, let's see another easy letter. Let's see. Th, 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 I'm a little bit crazy, I'm sorry. So this sound, the sound of this letter, it sounds like the TH in the word thank you. You must touch your tongue with your upper teeth in order to pronounce it. Okay, let's see. Let's write tha in English from the right to the left. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this, like this. I'm gonna write like this, T H A, tha, and I'm gonna add another one here, like this, tha, and another one here in the end, tha. Tha. Okay. Let's see tha in the beginning of the word. It is like this. It looks like ta and ba in the beginning of the word. Just we added 3 dots on the top. Tha in the beginning of the word. And then we have tha in the middle of the word. Tha. And finally, we have tha in the end of the word. Tha. Let's read it at the normal speed. Tha. Tha in the end of the word, it can be like this as well. So, tha in the beginning of the word is one shape. Tha in the middle of the word is one shape. Tha in the end of the word as well, it is one shape. And finally, it can be like this in the end of the word. Tha. Now let's learn another letter, which is se. Let's see. Se. This sound is like S in English. Se. Okay, let's write sa. In the beginning of the word, it is like this. Sa in the middle of the word is like this. Sa in the end of the word, it is like this. Sa. Let's read. Sa at the normal speed. Sa. Sa in the end of the word has this shape as well. So it can be like this one or this one. Sa. Now let's do something crazy. We've learned it together today, this letter, ba. Do you remember? We have ta. We have tha. And we have sa. 4 letters, right? Ba, ta, tha, sa. Let's write in English on the top of each one the sound. Ba. Here we have tha, like thank you. And we have here ta. And we have here sa. Ba, ta, tha, sa. Okay, let's write a word. A word that has no meaning, okay? So let's connect ba to ta. It will be like this. Ba in the beginning, and the word is like this. Better. It's one word, 2 letters. Better. Okay, let's make another combination. Let's connect sa to ba. Sa in the beginning of the word. It will be like this. س س ب س ب س ب سب 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 سب. Easy. Okay, let's write another one. Let's get this one. Ta in the beginning of the word. Ta. Let's connect it to sa. Both of them, they have the same color in black. Sorry. Ta, sa, tasa, 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 tasa. Very easy. Okay. So remember with me now, we have ba, ta, tha, sa, tha. Let's add tha in the beginning of the word. Tha. And connect it to ta. Each letter is a syllable, okay? Theta, 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 theta. Okay, let's add sa in the end of the word. It will be like this. So now we have tha, ta, sa, tha, ta, sa. Let's read it at the normal speed. Theta, sa, theta, sa, theta, sa, theta, sa. Okay, let's remove tha and let's add ba in the beginning. Ba, batasa, 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 batasa. Let's remove ta and let's remove sa. Let's add sa in the middle here like this, and let's add ta in the end. Ba, basa, basa, basata, 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 basata. So guys, that's for today. I wish you liked the class. I'm waiting for your comments. Thank you for watching.